Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Diaspora and thank you so much for all your likes, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. If you are a new viewer, definitely go to my channel, watch all these videos, and if you're liking these videos, then you can go hit the subscribe button to be a part of Smart Trader family. For the ones who want additional services, you can always WhatsApp our customer care team. 7892652481 is their number. For the ones who want to open an account through us, you can click on the video description and open your account in Zerodha or Upstock to be a part of our Telegram channel. So without wasting time, let's start off with today's topic. Today's topic is about pre-open market. Okay, so I will explain what exactly is this pre-open market, the logic behind it, and how people look into this in a basic way. Now, a lot of people know that market, they say I can trade between 9:15 to 3:30. All right, but a lot of people don't know that you can even trade during 9 o'clock. Okay, the market actually starts from 9 o'clock and it is called pre-open market at least till 9 to 9:15. So it is a pre-open market, and after that 9:15 you can put your regular orders, and you can that is a regular market time from 9:15 to 3:30. So what exactly happens at this 9 to 9:15, where most of us would have not even touched about it, thinking okay, let's wait till 9:15 and then start a trading. So now let me explain you these things. So there are three different things which happens during this 9:15. Within 15 minutes, three different things happen. So the first one is going to be from 9 to 9:08, if I'm not wrong. So 9 to 9:08, what happens? You can place your orders. That is, you're buying or selling whatever orders you want to put. Okay, you can limit orders. You can type that I want to buy a stock at 200 rupees or something. Okay, and you can do modify it, also cancel it within 9 to 9:08. Whatever orders you want to put, sell or buy, whichever first you want to put, you can put, and you have only time till 8 minutes. That is 9 to 9:08. Once that is done, then you can't do anything. That is from 9:08 to 9:12. So what happens? Orders will match. So whatever the prices you have put and prices what others have put, there is a different way of price matching. So price matching happens during this, so that orders get matched, and whatever decision has to happen will get happen. There is one particular method for that. I'm not exactly sure about that method, how it happens, but during this period it happens. Now after this, during this period, you cannot modify, you cannot cancel or buy or sell. It is closed over here itself. Over here only the systems will be doing its job. Now over here, after matching, our open price will be decided. In a stock there is always a close price, so the stock will close, and afterwards you would have seen the stock would have closed at 100. Next day the stock would have opened at 103. So there is a gap of 3 rupees, or else the stock has opened at 98. There is a gap down of 2 rupees, right? So like this, there is a open price which has been calculated based on these orders matching. So once this is done, your open price is ready. By 9:12 your open price is ready. Now using this open price, lot of traders use this open price for trading. And also 9:12 to 9:15 is a buffer period, because you are going from pre-open market to regular market timings. So this is a buffer period where you can keep your orders ready. Based on these calculations, other people who wants to start trading can be ready and all that. So you have a buffer period, and a lot of traders utilize this. Now let me just go to NSE India. Okay, I just wanted to show, I'll just show you how to go. So you go to NSE India homepage, go to live market, click on pre-open market. So you will get to know what's happening in the pre-open market, that is 9 to 9:15. Alright, so now people will put their orders within that much time, and you will get to know advances and declines of pre-open market of Nifty, for example. So in this case only, you got to know stocks, 44 stocks out of 50 are up and 6 stocks are down. That means overall the trend is the market is up. Now maybe when the market opens today, maybe there will be up and down during the day. Maybe a small uptrend and small minor sell trends will be there. But on an overall whole, market is gonna go up. Based on this information, few traders will use. Now they will have certain stock on which they will buy, on certain stock they will sell. Now considering Nifty pre-open market was a buy direction, they would have taken advantage on buy stocks, or else they would have their own stocks based on their strategy. They would have calculated certain value. So based on those value, they will calculate some stocks, and by the pre-open market decision, they will consider they should go for buy. Now I should go for buy on my stock with whatever strategy they have created with a target and a stop loss. So this pre-open market has been utilized by a lot of traders. Now people who ever put trade by 9 o'clock to 9-8, their orders will be executed. They can book their profits when the market opens 9:15 or 9:30. Whenever they want, they can book profits, or maybe loss also they have to book. If it is going against, obviously it is loss. If it is going in their favor, then it will be a profit, right? So this is how the pre-open market works, and if you are not aware of this pre-open market, this is exactly how it works, and you can take advantage by knowing before itself how the market is gonna perform. Not always, it's not that always the market will, just because I'm telling you advances is more and declines is less, not because of this the market will definitely go up. The chances are higher that when the advances are higher in pre-open market, all right, the regular market also, overall the day the stocks will go up. Now let's just see over here overall advances. So if you see, this is the regular market timing. So total advances 36 and 14 end of the day. So overall the market today, ending of the market also, the advances were more, that is it was bullish market end of the day. Overall the market, maybe there was a downtrend, uptrend, downtrend, uptrend, and finally the market was up overall. That is the main idea. If you see, it is 0.68%. And nowadays if you have seen the market trend, it's not just going down like this, or it is not just going up like this. It is going down, it is going up also, it is coming down also, it's going up also. So it is going red and green, red and green. So the market is very volatile. So what I advise normally is try to be safe during this period, because a lot of people will lose a lot of money in intraday, considering you're taking leverage or margin. So try to avoid such situation. Once in a while such situation will come. Once the market becomes almost stable, not fluctuating from plus to minus and plus to minus, wait for that. Once the market settles down, becomes stable, then do your intraday. That is one small advice. Anyhow, we were discussing about the pre-open market. Hope this was an add-on to a lot of beginners who didn't know about this. If you like this video, please do like this video and also subscribe, and don't forget to share this video in all your WhatsApp group, Telegram group, whichever group you have. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do hit that like once again. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.